Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see the changes in the importance of sector. Over the past year, the GDP has increased a lot. Today we will see what are the contribution toward the growth of GDP. Agriculture. When the method of farming changed in agriculture, things became very easy for the farmer. They produce much food than before, and they were able to send the production on time to the market where people demanded more goods and services. Then buying and selling activities took place many times in the agricultural sectors, and the production of the price also came down so that people became people became more happy to buy and sell the productions more in the agricultural sectors. Secondly, the large numbers of people engaged in agricultural sector and got more employment in this sector. Now the second one is industrial sectors. When the method of manufacturing introduced for the first time in the industrial sector, things became very easy for the industries. So they increased productions and changed economic and society, and that led to the modern industries. So, and the productions by the factory became low price, where people used to send the materials, raw materials at a time in the industry sectors, and industry sectors and agricultural sector became the parts of developing countries, and became also part of the giving the best opportunity for the employments. Now those people who worked earlier in the agricultural sector, now they shifted to industrial sectors. So industrial sector and agricultural sectors became part of the giving job opportunity for the employment. Now service sectors. Service sector also increased a lot. So the people who had worked earlier in the industrial sector, now they shifted to service sectors. So service sector given good opportunity for the skilled worker and professional worker who shifted here in the service sector and got more job opportunities. Now, so service sector means service don't produce a physical products or direct, and they direct interact with the customers.